Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to make a DTF transfer from start to finish, including branding and all. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider checking out all of the other content on my channel. Stick around by smashing that subscribe button. Like the video, share out the video, leave me a comment because I love interacting with y'all. For my members, a very special shout out to each and every one of you. Thank you for being a part of the community. For my returning subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. Welcome back. So without further ado, let go. Let's get into it. So, just a few materials. We're going to go over materials and things that you're going to need. You know that you're going to need a heat source. In our case, we're going to use the 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒. You're also going to need your branding material. Okay. You're going to need a lint roller. You're going to need a substrate. And you are going to need an image. Okay. And if you choose to, you can use TCL. You're also going to need a pressing pillow, okay? And you'll need the pressing pillow for to do our branding. I thought I turned this on, but I did not, but that's okay. All right. So y'all know how I like to do. I generally start out with my branding first, okay? I've already torn that tag out. I'm just going to lint roll the shirt, lint roll this area, and lint roll this area. I'm going to go ahead and fold my shirt corner to corner, shoulder to shoulder, like so. And we're going to go ahead and get our center line and take the moisture out all in one, okay? And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to try turning, see if I can get y'all see if I can get y'all well, let me do this update in a little bit. Let me just go to StreamYard. I'll do my update later, because I want y'all to be able to see over here as well. And let me go ahead and mute before. There we go. Okay. So here we go. We have our shirt on our press. All right. There we go. So we have our shirt on our press, folded in half, corner to corner, making sure everything is even. And let me turn my auto on. There we go. All right. How y'all doing today? Let me know all of the things. I'm just trying to get a really good angle so y'all will be able to see everything. And this is my Cricut brand pressing pillow. Dirty, but there is that, y'all. Okay. So we have 6 seconds. I got it back kind of far, but let's see. There we go. So as y'all can see, we have our center line. If I bring it over here, you can really see that center line, okay? So what I'm going to do first is we're going to go ahead and we are going to do this like so. This is our piece of parchment paper. So you will need a piece of parchment paper. I did forget to mention that. And a smaller heat press, okay? This is, oh Jesus, I turned it off. This is the Cricut Mini iron. The one that's supposed to be number 3. But if you ask me, 1 and 3 are all the same. just a different color. That's my opinion. But you also, with the newer heat presses and the hat press, you have to use it by your app. So that's the only difference. All right, so we're going to let that cool off like so. And while we're doing that, we're going to come here and we're going to brand this right on the back of the neck, like so. Same thing, just kind of go just like so. There you go. All right, you're gonna come back over here. Let's move our pressing pillow out from under here so we can get some heat. I want y'all to, let me zoom in so y'all can really see. Okay, so that is cool. I could have put my white, but we can still see the color. Those were when I first started making labels. And then this is now cool. So we have it branded on the back and we have it branded on the inside. Now I'm going to take my parchment paper like so. Bring y'all up just a little bit. And I'm just going to run across it real brief, just like that. Okay? And we're done with that part. All right. So back to our center line here. And scissors. Now, if your transfer isn't cut down all the way, you will need scissors. But if you prepare ahead of time, you definitely will not need scissors. But I kind of was going through my emails and saw this email. And although it is about a month and a half old, I still want to answer that subscriber's question. Okay. Now, you can take your transfer and do it like so. Just don't put a crease in it, okay? But you'll have it about right there. Okay. Looks pretty good to me. Now, if you are not good at eyeballing this, you'll want to make sure that you get you some type of ruler, okay? Some type of ruler. My scissors are in my way. All right. So that, friends, is dead center. All right. So we're good there. Now what we're going to do, this too is optional, but I like to do it because I didn't lay this on the heat press and center it. I centered it here and I have to yet move it. So that's just going to keep our transfer where it needs to be. Let me just let this up just a little bit. And the little bit that I'm letting it up is just to make sure that it's flat. Okay? We're going to get our Teflon sheet. 350 degrees for 30 seconds. Okay? And I'm going to clean up my mess. Y'all, I have stuff just torn everywhere. I have made a lot of progress, so I'm super proud there. I'm super, super, super proud. And then when that comes up, this is our T-seal sheet, y'all. I swear by this stuff, okay? This one sheet was $40, but you can use it over 500 times. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and remove our heat tape. And just in case anybody that is completely new runs across this video, this is a special kind of tape. This is a heat tape. This is not regular tape, okay? Not regular tape. All right, y'all. I'm going to let that cool down a minute. And once that cools down, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So this should be cool enough for us to peel off. Let's check and see. Woo! Y'all. Let's see here. Hold on. All right. I just wanted to. All right. Super, super cute. Everything came off. Now we're going to use our T-seal sheet. Okay. And we're only going to let our T-seal sheet run for maybe 10 or 15 seconds, okay? Maybe 10 or 15 seconds. All right. That's going to be good. And that's our final press, friends. All right. It feels super, super soft. So let's show our final product over here. We're going to remove this one because we don't need it. And I can leave this one for just a second. So let me just put this right here. All right, so this is our shirt. Let me put our pressing pillow back under here. Maybe we'll get a little bit more depth or height rather, okay? And then I'm gonna hold it up and show you guys. So that's our shirt. That's our branding. And that's our branding, okay? So if I hold this up, let's remove this camera. And there we have it, okay? There we have it. Looks super good, okay? All right, guys. So I thank you for watching this video to the end. Please make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share it out. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm your girl T. Stay crafty. Until next time, be blessed. I'm out. Catch you in the next one.